Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. I am Mary Chris. I am 24 years old. I am single. We were four in the family: my mother, my father, me, and my brother. I have pet. I have two dogs in our house. I also graduated at one of the university here in the Philippines with the degree Bachelor in Elementary Education. I have also experience in being a housemaid. I serve a couple and they do have two children, a 9-year-old girl and a 2-year-old boy. My duties are to take good care of the elderly and also the children. I also do the cooking, the cleaning, the car washing, and at the same time the marketing. I have also experience in being a tutor. I do teaching here in one of the public school in the Philippines here. I became a substitute teacher for 2 months. I want to work in Hong Kong because I really want to earn and save money for my family, and at the same time I want to send my brother in school. I am willing to take good care of an elderly and a newborn baby. I know how to sing in nursery rhymes like the wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and the wheels on the bus goes round and round all through the town. To my future employers, ma'am and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, obedient, and I am always willing to learn. I promise to be a good housemaid, and I promise to priority my job and finish my contract for 2 years or more. Thank you, ma'am and sir, and I am looking forward in working with you as soon as possible. Thank you.